Today we're going to look at another animal, the last animal in the 5 animal
already
covered the tiger, the bear, also the deer, and the monkey. This animal is the bird. The bird is related to the lungs and the emotion of sadness, worry, and sadness. Now, what is one thing that everybody does every day, all of the time, no matter what? We breathe. How do we breathe? We use the lungs. The lungs above the diaphragm, and there are muscles around the lungs that actually, when the muscles squeeze in, the lungs go in, and when it relaxes, the lungs expand. So, for things like worry, and chronic worry leads to depression, we're going to go through some physical exercises that helps you to deal with worry and sadness. Okay? Now, this is the physical exercises. There are also mental ones, but we can't cover everything in the video. So we're going to look at some physical things. The first thing that we're going to look at is called the bird flaps its wings. And this is the motion. I want you to inhale and exhale. Nice, that's it. Okay, now we're going to move the hands right angle. So right angle. Breathing in, soft, and out, and relax. What's happening here is that the lungs are expanding forward and the sideways. Here, like this. So we're going to do an exercise now while moving. I'll show you a side view while Sifu Denny and the student Justin will show you the front view. Okay? Here we go. And take your left hand, bring it in front of the body, step with the left leg, and go up, bring the back foot up, and right angles. Good. Now, put both hands up, and you're going to come down and go up. Here. And down. Now they're going to step. I'm going to turn and show you the other side here. From here, and take my right hand, circle, go up, right angle, and out. Okay, thank you. The movements expand the lungs and contract the lungs. Okay? Now, we're going to do one more movement. It's called the bird gazing. Similarly, I'll show you a side view while they show you the front view. Same thing, the left foot, the left hand comes in the front, and I'm going to turn. This is the scissor stance or the cross stance. If you are younger, you can do this one. If you're not that young or not that strong in the legs, you can do this one here. Expand. The lungs now expanding sideways. Inhale, come in, and expand. Looking back. Again, you can do this one here. And I'm going to turn. They're going to come up and they're going to step. I am going to turn and show you the other side. Come back in. Inhale. And exhale. and come up. Good job. So, similar to the tiger revolving like this, the bird does this. The lungs open. See? The lungs open this way. So the exercise helps to regulate and to relax the lungs. So things like asthma and bronchial congestion is helped to be relieved by practicing the bird exercise.